In this video, we're going to look at how to create a 3D game on your class topic and how pupils can share and play each other's games using the different sharing options in Purple Mash. To create our games, we're going to use a tool called 2DIY3D, which can be accessed either via the Computing Topics button here from the home page or via the Tools area if I scroll down to the Quiz and Game Creation. 2DIY3D is a 3D game maker tool. It allows pupils to create a themed maze with treasure and baddies that affect the player's success. The maze is played in 3D view. Pupils can add instructions for their game and can customize many of the options. 2DIY 3D games are adaptable to whatever topic you are studying in your class, from nature themes to Greek labyrinths or ancient Egypt. Many programming concepts such as variables or a score, conditional if-then statements and object properties can be learnt through this game maker tool. 2DIY has two modes, My Simple Game and My Game. In the My Simple Game mode, there is one kind of wall option, one kind of scenery option, and the children can create the ground and the sky for their simple game. In the simple mode, there is one level of the game rather than multiple levels. In the more advanced My Game mode, there are additional wall options, other scenery, including fire and water. Pupils can also change some of the other options, such as the lighting of their game, or the wall height, or whether there is background music. When designing the features of their maze game, pupils can either use the built-in images, or they can design their own. So I'm going to create a maze game on my class theme of ancient Egypt. First of all, I'm going to add in my walls. If I click on the edit pencil there, I can change the walls to something else. I'm going to use my drop-down menu here and go to history. My walls are going to be the pyramids of Giza. Let's add my walls in here. So my walls are now in place. Let's add some scenery. Again, I'm going to select the clip art. I've selected the cactus picture. I'm going to have some cactuses dotted around my maze, as it is a desert. I'm going to add some fire, and I can change the colour of my fire. And I'm going to add some water, maybe an oasis perhaps. Again, I'm going to change the colour of my water, put in an oasis up here. So now I'm going to change the options for my ground. Let's make it a desert. My ceiling, and for my ceiling I'm going to choose a file that I have pre-created using one of the other tools in Purple Mash. Here is my maze all created. I need to add in some treasure that I'm going to collect as I walk around my maze. So I'm going to add one of these treasures in here, and I'm going to click the edit pencil. I don't want a coin. I'm going to change that to something else more relevant to my topic. So I have chosen Tutankhamun's mask to be my treasure, and I'm going to choose its movement, its action, and how many points I score when I collect that treasure. Now, if I want all my treasure to be exactly the same, I can copy that to all of my treasure, and then you'll see that's all turned into Tutankhamun's mask. So I'm going to drag some treasure onto my maze. Now, to make my game even more interesting, I'm going to add some bad guys that I have to avoid, or I will lose some points. Let's edit that, change that image to something from ancient Egypt. Again, if I want to replicate that to all my bad guys, I can select that option and position the bad guys into my maze. The last step in my maze is to create my introduction information screen. So I need to click on that I button. I can also change the options at the bottom here, how many lives I have, how long the game will take, the game over sound, and the level completed sound. So I'm very happy with my game now, and I want to save it using the drop-down menu Save option. I now want to share this with my friends, so from the menu I'll select the Share option and then choose to share my game either to the class display board or to the blog. Let's select the display board option. As the teacher, I pre-created a 2DIY 3D display board for my class, which they can share their games to. That's now been shared to that display board. I can also post my game to our class blog by selecting blog about my work from the sharing options. I'm going to select our best work blog here and click the save and publish button, and that will then be added to the class blog so my classmates can play my game. For more information on how to share work to a blog or display board, please refer to the Sharing Online Work course. For additional instructions on how to build your 3D game, there are video guides here on the homepage of 2DIY 3D.